I'm sorry I smashed your car.
Suspects located and marked.
Oh crap. The graveyard. Who's around here? Act like a normal person. And run around. What's this over here? It's blue.
This is the place. This guy is going to act. It'll be nearby.
Get lost!
What? Fuck you then. Come here. God damn it. Well, I fucked that up. Now let's just carefully get away in style. Doing it in style. Okie dokie, what's in here? Alleyway. Oh. I can't even turn it into an alleyway properly. Okay. Then Big Brother. Wait, is that the show? I'd love to destroy that thing. How nicely parked. I may have overdone it. It's been a crime.
It's him! The vigilante! There! Look! The guy from the...
Social media is buzzing about the vigilante. One poster wrote, "The vigilante must be stopped. He is a menace to the city." That's just one of many posts decrying Chicago's self-appointed crime fighter. Several other words are popping up frequently on social media. Anarchist,
Oh, lag.
terrorist, and even revolutionary. The questions remain, what is he revolting against, and why? So far, the vigilante has left no messages behind, and police are baffled by his crime spree.
So I commit suicide. So we're okay, we're alive now. Excuse me, sir.
Slow the fuck down.
You what, mate? You what, mate?
Welcome to our segment, Power Profiles. Today we're exploring the life of Dermot Lucky Quinn. Quinn is one of Chicago's most powerful and respected men. His empire stretches across the country and overseas. His personal wealth is estimated at $40 billion. Here at home, he owns buildings, land, hotels, and numerous successful businesses. Just how did Quinn get so lucky? Let's find out.
We were dirt poor. There were 7 of us. My brothers, sister, and my mom.
Don't want to know. I want my car back. This looks interesting. Mind me. Mind me. That soon shifted you.
We got roads, man.
That guy over there looks bored. Let's help him out a little.
What the fuck?
Well, challenge me. Come on then. Will you two have smiling faces on, please? He hit the car. Out the way. Okay. Whoops, 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 and whoops. Oops. Teleporting vehicles, eh? Ooh. Smiling faces. What? Was he sitting on air? Wait. Let's just test the theory out. Theory, that didn't work. I ran over your foot. It's okay. The fuck? Quite fun. I held it. Somehow I held it. Okay, maybe I failed. Where the friggin' hell am I going? Okay. I'm climbing. Now, whilst I look at my phone. Looks like a wonderful place. There. Oh. Okay. Jump in and sprint. Ride it. The fuck? I just went over here and you choked someone. Never mind. He's gone. Got this little car over here. You hit my car. So anyways, guys, I'm going to end this video here because I have recorded way too much and way too long. About an hour's worth of recording. So if you want to see more Watch Dogs being done, or maybe even just mucking about like I am, please leave a like and comment, and we'll see what happens. But in the meantime, I'm just going to do one more jump. Eventually. Eventually. Okay, that's far enough. Let's go. Speed up. Have a jump inside. That was an amazing jump. Gate open. Gate never opened properly. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, whatever I make.